Morning! As you know, one of my favorite things for skincare is calendula. This is calendula. I have harvested this about 3 times, and my herbal cousin Wendy has also harvested it once because I was very busy and I was afraid that we would lose the harvest. So she says, I'll go do it for you. And she did. She came and harvested it, which is awesome because we will use it for some skincare. And because, yeah, I'll talk about calendula more, but it's beautiful for the skin. So today you're going to harvest some with me. So I'm going to put you down here. And I can see that Daisy May is here. Hi, Daisy May. Are you helping us? Yeah? And there's our Riley. Riley is my little protector. He makes sure that there's no wildlife coming here to get me. And yeah, so let's harvest some calendula. So what you do, I'm just going to put you down here so you can see. Okay. Ah, it's not staying up very good. Okay, it's trying to fall over. So I'm going to prop you against this. As my husband would say, there's more than one way to do things. Okay, so you're gonna have to move Riley because people have to see what I'm doing. So here's my trusty pail, and all you do is pluck the flower. The flower part is the one that you want. Okay, so I'm just plucking off the flowers. Okay, just the flower. And we are going to take that beautiful flower and use it for some skincare because it is awesome to rejuvenate the skin. Calendula is so easy to grow. I put this in this summer, or this spring I should say, and it gave me at least 3 harvests, probably 4. And it asks for nothing. It just grows beautifully and then gives us all of its beautiful nutrients for skin. So that's the calendula, just the flower. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that today and we're going to dry it together, and we're going to use it for skincare. We'll do many things with calendula, but the biggest thing that I've learned from my cousin Wendy is for skincare. So one of my favorite things is definitely calendula, and I will see you when we do some skincare with the calendula. Okay, so you have a good day. Enjoy the day. It's fall, it's beautiful. You know, you just have to enjoy the day. Look at that beautiful sun. I really do believe if you take a little bit of time each day to go outside, life is a lot better. Life is a lot better if you spend some time outside. And if you can spend it with some calendula, it's even better. So you have a good day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.